Hello people, how you doing? It's 2:40 in the afternoon here on a Saturday. Back at the home. I went out and did some shopping for food. Yeah. Uh, I stopped by and picked up some ice, 2 gallon bags, by the way, from the kitchen, and I told them, until further notice, I will not be eating lunch at the home. So therefore, you people do not have to cook for me. That'll make them happy, huh? But anyway, it is what it is. I eat what I want to eat the way I like to eat it. So that's the story. I'll be cooking my breakfast and then maybe something for dinner. Who knows? And just doing my own shopping. Still going by the kitchen, they'll still give me eggs, bread, milk, whatever, cereal. I'll still be getting it because I'm paying for it. Better be cooking my own. And if they want to give me some vegetables, I'll steam them. Later. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all your new subscribers out there. Comments are always welcome on NW6G YouTube channel. Have a fine day. Enjoy your freedom.